India versus Pakistan in ICC tournament. I think everyone knows the result. Even the Pakistani team must know that shit. This match is not against us. सट्टा लगाते हैं तो इंडिया पे लगाएंगे, लेकिन हम जाके खेलेंगे, लेकिन we'll bet on India to win.
I think it's going to be India bowling versus Pakistan batting.
ये प्रैक्टिस करने का क्या फायदा?
That is savage.
Hello and welcome to सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी in a slightly new avatar because this is the T20 World Cup मेरे यार. Fantasy cricket और real cricket का अनोखा है ये खेल. And it is all about you, the fans from all across the world. This show is brought to you by crickbattle.com. और अगर आप भी हमारे साथ खेलना चाहते हैं, तो all you need to do is log on to spk.crickbattle.com for more details. You can also catch this show as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. दोस्तों, फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के बारे में तो बात करेंगे ही और साथ साथ नए रूल्स, नए ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले आइए थोड़ा माहौल बनाते हैं as we huddle up with our खिलाड़ीज and discuss what to expect from the upcoming T20 World Cup.
I've been telling it from the beginning. I see India, Pakistan, West Indies and England making it to the top four.
I don't really agree with the top four that he has come up with. I think India and West Indies I'm very sure about. But apart from that, I am a little confused between Australia, England and maybe even New Zealand.
जहाँ तक पाकिस्तान के chances है, see we all know the Pakistan team is very erratic. They're very inconsistent. They can surprise any team on the right day. तो मैं जरूर बोलूँगा कि don't write off Pakistan.
I don't see Pakistan making the top four at all because I think it's the kind of team which looks very strong because of the kind of cricket that they play. They have those Babar Azams, they have those Shaheen Afridi kind of players. Lekin they're all very, they're very maverick kind of players. I feel they're not very responsible in an ICC tournament kind of a scenario.
Guys, in these last 3 days, we have already seen 4 hat-tricks. Over in which 4 wickets fell. A guy taken 4 ball hat-trick, मतलब 4 ball 4 wickets, and means as a bowler I was like drooling right now कि मुझे ball दो यार. I want to bowl on this types of wicket.
Bowler सुनते ही तुम्हारे एंटेना खड़े हो जाते हैं. Quite some time.
मैं तो बोला ही था हर्षल पटेल को होना चाहिए, कोई जरूरत नहीं है बोलने की. अब किसी ने माना नहीं मेरा बात. मैं बता रहा हूँ वो 4 बॉल में 4 विकेट लेगा, उसको लेके आओ.
Yes, I have a feeling that the tracks would be quite opposite of what we saw in IPL. It will be supporting batsmen because the way these matches are also going on, the 160, 170 scores are quite common. If you see the warm-up matches of India, England, and India, Australia, the way they are scoring runs freely, I think it's going to be a belter of pitches and it will be high-scoring matches for sure.
We'll have Matthew Hayden saying it's a bowler-friendly pitch. 110, 120 you can expect. Yeah. So then we can go ahead and hedge and we can back the batsman then.
Fairly confident about England also. I think England will also make it. World Cup winners, of course, they are missing 2 very big players, Ben Stokes and Jofra Archer. Lekin फिर भी it's a very, very strong squad.
As much as I don't want it to happen against India, but watch out for Pakistan. They are emotionally hurt, and I somehow feel they also have this knack of bringing some really crazy performances when it's not required. They have won this tournament in the past. Let me remind you guys.
Mandar, I was just saying, बाकी कुछ श्योरिटी है या नहीं है, बट एक चीज की तो श्योरिटी है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच में आनंद का कैप्टन बाबर आजम होगा. अब ये क्लियर हो गया.
No. I'm not. No. KL Rahul all the way. I'm not going anywhere. If
KL Rahul.
I mean, look at the way it's very interesting to see what Team India does. It's a great problem to have because one, you have Ishan Kishan firing, you have Rishabh Pant, being Rishabh Pant, X Factor and all of that, and you have a KL Rahul who is more than decent behind the stumps. I mean, he's not a part-time keeper like Dravid was.
बीच में फिर बैटिंग कौन करेगा? सूर्या पे सब छोड़िए.
हाँ, so Rishabh Pant और Ishan.
मैं वेट कर रहा था उदय जी का आएगा अभी.
आप लोग यार कैसे बोलते हैं? I don't understand.
No, I'm sure one of Rishabh Pant or Ishan Kishan will play.
है तो वो है जडेजा और कोई नहीं.
हाँ, जडेजा 5, 6, 7 सब नंबर पे जडेजा ही बैटिंग करेगा।
अभी कीनिया और जिम्बाब्वे तो इस वर्ल्ड कप में खेल नहीं रही है, लेकिन जो बाकी की 12 टीम है उसमें से कौन है कीनिया और जिम्बाब्वे?
यार मुझे सही में पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कि अपना अफगानिस्तान के सामने ना पाकिस्तान हार जाएगी, क्योंकि नहीं, आई एम टेलिंग फैक्ट मीन्स आखिरी 4 T20 जो अफगानिस्तान के सामने पाकिस्तान खेली है वो चारों 4 पाकिस्तान हारी है।
Lanka end up qualifying. I'm pretty sure Sri Lanka might just be the lowest out of these guys, and quite sad to see the way South Africa have slipped as well. I think that board issues have escalated to a large extent.
I think Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, I think, would be the lowest teams in each of these respective groups. Yeah, which is me saying that Scotland and Afghanistan will do better than these guys.
Unfortunately, Sri Lanka has been transitioning from the last 6-7 years now. Ever since Dilshan Sangakkara and Jayawardene left, the hole was so big that they are still not able to recover.
Another would be obviously Scotland. I'll put Scotland. Bangladesh, though they started slowly, but eventually they've got that firepower with them. Shake, Mustafizur Rahman, Mahmudullah and everyone.
मूफी भाई को आपने बात करते हुए देखा, अब समय है उनसे रूबरू होने का, and he's special because he's a Pakistani fan who is joining us all the way from Australia.
I'm originally from Karachi, Pakistan, and I came to Australia about 10 to 11 years ago. I've always been in Melbourne, Australia.
Wearing a Pakistani cap right now, so it's fair to say right now you are going to be cheering for Pakistan. So what do you think? So where does the Pakistani team stand as the World Cup begins? And do you think so they will win the cup this time?
One interesting fact I missed in the start about myself is my wife is from India. So she's actually from Bombay. तो खैर हमारा तो घर में वर्ल्ड कप हर रोज ही चल रहा होता है, तो regardless of whichever team wins, घर पे तो बातचीत बंद हो जाएगी, तो मगर definitely I'm going to be supporting Pakistan all the way.
अब चाहे different geographical locations हो या different time zones, ये सब बातें क्रिकेट फैन को कभी नहीं रोक सकती। इनसे मिलने के बाद मुझे अपने फाफड़ा जलेबी यानी कि अमन परीक की याद आ गई, who used to join us all the way from Thailand. And I'm glad to share that Aman Parikh is still the part of SBK extended family by the means of Fantasy Ka Panchnama, as he helps you pick top 5 fantasy picks for each match and help you earn maximum fantasy points. On that note, let's also meet another new addition, another new chehra to the Sabse Bada Khiladi contest. So Siddharth, welcome to the show. Sabse Bada Khiladi World Cup Ka War is what we are calling the new season. And you've seen all the Khiladis play before. Prateek has won the first season, Udayban has won the second season. You've seen all their styles and strategies. Now that is the advantage that you have. आपने सबको खेलते हुए देखा है. Whom do you think so poses a real challenge for you to become the सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी for this season?
I think here where the real cricketing knowledge will come into play. And I think the game style of also a lot of players would be very different. You cannot compare it with the IPL. Still feel I think Prateek would be a challenge as far as the competition is concerned. But I think their playing style would be very different in the World Cup as compared to IPL.
नए खिलाड़ियों के साथ-साथ कुछ नए rules भी है which I need to share with you. Unlike the IPL fantasy, T20 World Cup fantasy के लिए हमारे खिलाड़ियों के पास होंगे 3 free trades for each match. इसके अलावा they have up to 50 trades which they can use right up till the semi-finals. इसके अलावा 2x जैम होगा, मैन ऑफ द मैच स्पेशल्स होगा और दूसरे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी होंगे, लेकिन वो हम समय आने पर आपको बताएंगे. It's time for us to wrap today's show. But wait a minute. How can we ever do that without getting the fans' perspective on the all-important India versus Pakistan match happening this weekend?
Mandar, have you heard of the Halley's Comet? वो आता है ना once in 76 years. तो वो हेलीज कॉमेट इवेंट ही था, वो जो 2019 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में हुआ. एक नो बॉल की वजह से they took the match away from us. Can't deny it. But it's okay. That was once in 76 years. This is an ICC tournament. And as the history of ICC tournament goes, we have dominated Pakistan.
तो हमारी टीम ये मौका की ऐड देख के ना डाउन हो जाती है. तो हमारी टीम ने हाथ जोड़ के मीडिया एजेंसी को हमने हाथ जोड़ के बोला कि ये मौका बंद करे, क्योंकि हमारी सारी ट्रेनिंग, हमारी सारी मोटिवेशन गोज डाउन द ड्रेन. एक बार ये ऐड हम देख लेते. मगर yes, on a serious note, I feel we have a chance. We have a chance this time.
Dubai is their home ground too. Now we have played 2 IPL in Dubai. So actually for Indians, each and every player who is present in the team right now is a home ground to them.
20 साल हो गए हैं वसीम अकरम, वकार यूनिस, इन सब लोगों को रिटायर हुए हुए. It's a very long time. They don't have that team anymore.
I think it's going to be India bowling versus Pakistan batting. Because if we can crumble the Pakistan batting,
If our batting clicks, if the top order fires, we have a serious chance. Because if India ke liye, I don't think a score of 160 will be enough.
Bumrah, there is KL Rahul, Varun Chakravarti, Ravindra Jadeja. These are people who are in the form of their life, and add to that legends like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, who on their day can just turn it on when they want.
For bowling pe, it will come jo hamara strength from the very start, from the history of cricket. Like Pakistan ki strength has been its bowling, and this time round as well, like I mentioned, with the likes of Shaheen Afridi, Hassan Ali, and the spinners that we have a really good chance.
if our Indian bowling does not really come together as a unit, Pakistan batting has enough firepower to kind of take this game away and have the first ever moka for them.
But India will edge out because of their propensity to handle pressure better. I think it's a high pressure game, and I think they have a little knack of handling pressure, and I think that would probably help them to win. And having Dhoni in the dressing room will be a big advantage to India to handle that pressure and keeping their nerves.
India versus Pakistan match T20 World Cup के पहले ही वीकेंड पर. Well, it just can't get better than this. Till we meet again in the next episode of सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. Eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game; it is the game.